really. Like they're
Okay,
just
okay.
messing around.
I'm sitting here
Because
watching Top
I
Step
feel like even if you
TV
got in right now
with
for a
these
potential short
traders
as a
on here,
counter trade,
professional traders,
it wouldn't really even be
and
valid.
they're on here talking and
No, I mean,
talking.
Because it's still making higher lows.
And let me show you
yeah, we are
something.
making the higher lows, and I'm licking my chop up and out. But what's cool
Okay,
about
so you
doing this is that this can scale with whatever range you're looking at. So this could theoretically be a 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour chart. And I probably wouldn't get down. I probably wouldn't run this for a 1 minute chart, but maybe like a good 5 minute range, like a 20 point, 30 point range is awesome. But if you get to like a 30 minute or 1 hour range, where maybe the range is like 120 points.
Okay, so I'm looking at Top Step Live TV, and these guys here are traders, and for the day, the house count where all traders trade for it is negative 200.
Anything up to the upside if
Sergio is up
patient
430,
to wait for a range breakout.
and Jay is up
If I'm
450.
behaving myself, that's how I
And
want
so
my
these
my
guys are
trades.
talking about all this stuff that they're doing
You're like scaling out on the way.
when it's really not that complicated.
Oh, range trade?
We were talking about. Sorry, we were talking
So
about
here,
the ES and the Nasdaq.
what I'm
being raised,
saying,
the Russell's is just jumping off
I'm
the
gonna
cliff.
go short
Is it
here.
really? Oh yeah, look at that.
See, I don't have it on. Straight down for the
Oh,
last
wow.
half an hour.
Yeah, just straight. Wow.
Small cap's
Oh.
taking a beating. Here we go.
No kidding. Maybe
So I think
ran
we are
stops.
due for a breakout. We are due for a breakout in the ES and NQ. Looking at Dolby's Dorito right there. These recent price
like 'em.
ranges have really been consolidating, so I think a breakout could be imminent at this point. Well, breakouts are
Yeah, I
always
mean,
imminent.
Sergio, would you look for? Do you have a setup for any trades around like 800s or 810s, or is that not
805,
just
805, 806. That's the range on the 5 minute. If you look at it real quick, 5 minutes, take that swing low at doji. If it sweeps that candle and it respects it, and we can trickle down to like the 1 minute or even the 500 T, and we see that the buyers are starting to come through and take over, I'll potentially take a long. So as of right now, we just took it over, but that 5 minute candle, not looking too clean, or even on the one, yeah, that one is pretty solid. 7 seconds left on that thing. It's not really enough. Oh, okay. We'll see. We'll see if it closes a little stronger on, and then it comes right back down, and then it pushes up again, and it respects up. Potentially go long. Let me get out of this.
What are they talking about?
I mean, if
What
we
are they
get down,
talking
maybe
about?
run some stops under like 802s. That could be
Yeah,
pretty
it's
There
not
we
really
go.
like
View
that.
up
on
from
candlestick.
the open.
Yeah, so if it's gonna run through, then potentially yep, I read that right there. 800 or the 94s is potentially where I'll take a long if it starts respecting. But this thing's like it's bull running. It's like just
That's strong.
ramming through the gates.
We're just
Very
just
strong.
liquidating weak longs right now.
Yeah, it's not enough convictions for me to go in on longs. That'd be suicide.
We
These
might get
guys.
traction at 780s. I know Jay, you like midpoints. This is what I've identified as a midpoint of the range from low to high. Maybe if we get down to 780s, maybe buyers will come back in. But we just couldn't get over 832 on a 4-hour range, and come failed moves, come fast moves, which means if a bunch of people are anticipating a big move out of 832 and everyone gets on one side for a big push and it doesn't happen, and everybody out, and that's how you can get kind of these big sell-offs if like a range ends up not breaking and will just collapse in on itself.
if it gets back to that 798.75, I'll take a long. What do you think, Coach Jay?
So the volume is picking up here. This is the first time we've seen some decent volume.
And they're
coming in
still
the last
trying
hour
to
or so.
go
So
long.
if we're in this long, we don't
Why?
want to see any
Why are you
falls.
still trying to buy the market?
Long two,
Yeah,
21,
Got your second one?
784.
Get it right here.
Mhm.
Just want to see what happens
Yeah,
at
I have
these
that-
800s.
I have that full session view up at 89, and I think we just ticked
Ooh,
it
yeah.
and bounced right off of it.
Nice.
I might have got in too early, but we'll see. We'll put it.
Did you get in?
Sure enough.
To break through
I
it,
can't make this
go
up.
long if it does, and
Okay,
then
not only that,
Oh, yeah, 806.
this guy just got into a long position
What's
on this
your entry
trade.
price, Sergio?
797. I was talking about Coach Jay about entering at 798, and I pressed the blended button too early. So we'll see. I mean, look at it on the 1000 tick. The 1000 tick looks pretty nice for accumulating on that price, but we'll see.
Is that the right on your right? Oh, sorry, 1,000 ticks on your left.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool. Just trying to get a
1,000
little
left.
range. Small little range there.
One.
Dolby, did house account get in this trade also?
We're bidding 789s.
We're
and
below
I'd also
the
be interested in
200
bidding
EMA.
777 if we get down there.
Okay, so here we go.
Gotcha.
We break through conviction.
It's not going to break.
So we got Sergio
It's not
Bradley
gonna
long
break.
one MNQ.
It's not gonna
People in the
break.
bag, long one MNQ at 21.7.
Why are you going for a buy? What are you doing?
House account long one.
Okay.
Volume
What's our
is
price
picking up
gonna
a
be?
little bit here.
What are you doing?
We are long 21,789, and we're also going to bid 778s.
House
What are
account
you
long
doing?
one MNQ.
What are you doing?
789. We are riding with you.
Yeah.
We're gonna get long a second at 778. What's our risk on this trade, guys?
Yeah, what do you got,
Deep are we
Sergio?
willing to?
It's about to take me out, honestly.
I hope so.
Seven,
What are we doing?
yeah. I'm gonna move
What
down
are we
a little
doing,
more,
guys?
actually.
What?
So the volume is picking up here. This is the first time we've seen some decent volume.
And they're
coming in the
still
last
trying
hour
to
or so.
go
Yeah.
long.
If we're in this long, we don't
Why?
want to see any.
Why are you
follow-through,
still
and they're
trying to
following
buy
right
the
now.
market?
We're long 2,
Yeah, close now.
Got your second one?
21,784.
Don't want to see any follow through, and they're following it right now.
We're long 2,
Yeah, close now.
Got your second one?
21,784.
We should have waited more for this. We'll see. The area that I really liked potentially at longs was that the range they were expecting the entire day, which was at that 739 level.
Oh
and
my
just
goodness.
Right back into it, just exploding.
Yeah.
Oh my.
We tried.
This
Decent move.
should have waited for. We should have waited more for a different. But we'll see.
Melted right through settlement.
Yeah.
21,763. This thing ain't stopping.
Get any news by any chance?
Yeah, Waller speaking, I think.
All right, guys.
Someone is
Have a good day.